Welcome to AmeenAcademy.com. In mathematical economics, let us discuss about functions and graphs. What is a function? In mathematics, an expression, rule, or law that defines a relationship between one variable, that independent variable, and another variable, that is dependent variable. Look at this figure. Suppose a function, consider it's a machine. Suppose you are inputting x, it gives output as f of x. This is a basic definition of function. Now, functions have a lot of types. First, linear function. Linear function f of x equals mx plus b. Here, linear means x have the power 1. So, mx plus b is a general linear function. Quadratic function. F of x equal ax square plus bx plus c. Here, a should not be equal to 0. Next here, polynomial function. That is f of x equal an x power n a n minus 1 x power n minus 1 a n minus 2 x power n minus 2, like it goes. Then finally a 0, where n is non-negative, n is equal non-negative integers, and a n should not be equal to 0. This is a condition for polynomial function. Now, next one, rational function. Rational, we know that it's a ratio of two things, that is f of x equal g of x over h of x. Ratio of two functions equal f of x is the rational function of in terms of x. Next, power function. Power function, that is f of x equal a x power n, where n is any real number, where n is any real number. This is the some types of functions. Now, for some examples, look at here. If f of x equal 3x minus 5, find f of 2. What do you mean f of 2? Substitute x as 2. 3 into 2 minus 5 equal 3 2s are 6 minus 5 is 1. F of negative 3 is 3 into negative 3 minus 5. 3 minus 3 is minus 9, minus 5 is minus 14. Then f of 0 is 3 to 0 minus 5 is minus 5. Like we can get the value of f of x when x is given some values. Now, one more example. Here, Now, next one, we'll discuss about graph, slopes, and intercepts. Here in economics, mathematical economics, mostly we are considering linear functions of graph. What is the slope intercept form of a line? Look at this line. This is y equal to 3x plus 2 is the line here. The graph of the linear equation y equal to mx plus c is a line with m as slope. Here slope is 3 and c as y-intercept. 2 is a y-intercept. This form of the linear equation is called the slope-intercept form, and the value of m and c are real numbers. The slope m represents the steepness of a line, how it's steep. More steeper, more slope. Then we'll discuss further about this is here y equal 3x plus 2. How to draw this graph? First, put x equal to 0 here. X equal to 0 means y equal to 2. Put that point here. X equal to 0 is 2. And put y equal to 0. What is x? Y equal to 0 means 3x is minus 2. I can show this one. Y equal 3x plus 2. Put x equals 0, what you have y equal 3 into 0 plus 2 is 2. Put y equal 0, what happened for x? 0 equal 3x minus 2, then 2 equal 3x, x equal 2 over 3. Therefore, these are intercepts. Here y-intercept is 2, this point, and x-intercept is 2 over 3. Minus 2 over 3. Here plus 2 become minus 2 over 3. So, note this point, put this point x and y and join the line. This is the equation of graph of that line gives. Now, like this, in terms of suppose slope m can be given by delta y. Change in y with change in x is y2 minus y1, 2 points, x2 minus x1 has another 2 points. Here, x1 should not be equal to x2. Now, this is the formula for finding slopes with 2 points. Here, the same equation we have y equal 3x plus 2, y equal 3x plus 2. Then here from this we can find derivative of this one, that is delta y by delta x. Derivative of 3x plus 2 is 3. Therefore, slope is 3. The slope. By using, suppose the graph is given, you can use 2 points for x and y, x1, y1, x2, y2, then apply this one also, I can get it. So far we discussed about mathematical economics, in that functions and graph and its uses we have done. Please subscribe our YouTube channel.